Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Postmates affiliate program to promote delivery services step by step clearly. To get started with the Postmates affiliate program, first, visit the Postmates website. Scroll down to the footer and find the affiliates link under the partners section. Click on the link to be directed to the affiliate program page. Read through the program details to understand the commission structure and requirements. Next, click on the Sign Up or Join button to create your affiliate account. Fill in the required information, including your name, email address, and website details. After submitting your application, wait for approval from Postmates. Once approved, log into your affiliate dashboard to access marketing materials. Find banners, links, and promotional content available for affiliates. Choose the promotional materials that best suit your audience. Copy the affiliate links provided, these are specific to your account. Now, decide where to promote your affiliate links. Consider using your blog, social media profiles, or email newsletters. Create engaging content that highlights the benefits of using Postmates for delivery services. Incorporate your affiliate links naturally within your content. Monitor the performance of your links through the affiliate dashboard. Adjust your promotional strategies based on what resonates with your audience. Stay updated with Postmates to utilize any new promotions or offers for affiliates. Engage with your audience and encourage them to share their delivery experiences. Continuously refine your approach to maximize your earnings through the program. By following these steps, you can effectively promote Postmates delivery services. Leverage the affiliate program to create a steady stream of income. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.